Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete college options in KCET option entry. It's crucial to refine your choices to ensure your final selection aligns perfectly with your academic aspirations. This process allows you to remove any colleges or courses you no longer wish to consider, making your preference list accurate and effective. Taking the time to review and adjust your options can significantly impact your seat allotment. Once you are ready to modify your choices, the first step is to securely log in to your KCET option entry account using your credentials. After successful login, navigate to the section specifically designated for option entry or modify options. This area is where all your previously entered college and course preferences are displayed. Carefully review this list to identify the specific entries you intend to remove. After identifying the options you wish to remove, simply select the Delete or Remove button, typically located adjacent to each college or course entry. Once deleted, it is essential to thoroughly review your updated list of chosen colleges to confirm that all unwanted options are gone. Finally, remember to click the Save or Submit button to finalize your modifications before exiting the portal. This ensures your changes are permanently recorded. As you finalize your option entry, always double-check all your selections carefully before the official deadline. Remember, you have the flexibility to re-add any options if you change your mind later, provided the modification window is still open. If you encounter any technical difficulties or have questions during this process, do not hesitate to seek assistance from the official KCET support team. Your accuracy is paramount for successful seat allotment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.